Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Lekya. Today I'm going to talk about skincare basics, which includes why we need skincare and who needs skincare and what are the different skin types and skin conditions and what are the basic skincare steps. This video is going to be a little long because I have included all the basics which are related to skincare. So after watching this video, you will definitely have a complete idea about what is skincare is. So without any further delay, let's get started. We all know that our skin is the largest organ in our body, right? So it needs a little bit of caring to keep it functioning properly. We brush our teeth regularly as a habit, right? In the same way, having a proper skincare routine as a habit helps in maintaining healthy skin. First of all, let me clear one thing, guys. Skincare is not just for women. People often think that it is as a girly thing and people think that only women do skincare. But it isn't. Man, what about you? You do have skin, right? You need to take care of it. But when it comes to staying healthy, men always talk about fitness and eating right. But what about your external care? Let me tell you another thing, guys. In order to achieve healthy skin, we need to take care internally and externally also. So we need to balance it both. That is the only way to achieve healthy skin. The point is not clear or unrealistic skin or perfect skin. The point is to achieve healthy skin. So man, it's time to go beyond the beard and start taking care of your own skin. The thing is also include a little bit of skincare in your regime. Skincare products are not gender biased, guys. There is no such thing like only men should use it or only women should use it. Skincare products are unisex, so either men or women can use it, but we need to choose our skincare products according to our skin type and skin conditions. This leads to my next topic. We all have different skin types and different skin conditions. We need to treat it according to that skin type and skin condition. So we need to figure out our skin type first. So there are different skin types and skin conditions. Let me tell you what they are. First of all, skin types: normal skin, dry skin, oily skin and combination skin. And skin conditions are sensitive skin, acne prone skin, dull and dehydrated skin and aging skin and pigmented skin. How to figure out your skin type? Let me tell you this. Wash your face with a mild cleanser and leave it on for 1 hour, and after that take a tissue, blot it on your face like this and check if there is no oil traces or if you don't feel any tightness or flakiness with your skin, then you have normal skin. Then you are lucky, definitely. And if there is no oil traces on your tissue paper and if your skin feels tight and it is flaky, then you have dry skin. And next, if your tissue paper has oil traces and if you feel greasy like all over your face, then you have oily skin. Usually we refer forehead and nose and chin area as a T-zone. If you have oiliness in the T-zone and rest of the face is normal or dry, then you have combination skin type. Next comes skin conditions. Skin conditions are the problems that you are facing with your skin right now. Most common skin conditions are acne prone skin. I am facing it right now. I have oily and acne prone skin, so I have a lot of acne. Acne in the sense pimples, whiteheads and blackheads. If you are suffering with a lot of them, then you're more likely to have acne prone skin. And next, sensitive skin. Sensitive skin people have redness and itchy skin and everything doesn't work for them. They need to choose very carefully. So I always recommend going to dermatologist for sensitive skin people. Next comes dull and dehydrated skin. Dull and dehydrated skin means they are lack of water. So you need to concentrate on hydration from within and also from externally. So next comes pigmented skin. Pigmented skin means you have pigmentation around your mouth or dark spots or you have pigmented patches. So you need to concentrate on treating your pigmentation. And next comes aging skin. Aging skin means we observe fine lines and wrinkles around the lower area and around the forehead. This means we are getting little old. So we observe this at 27, like early 30s, 27, 28, above that we need to treat aging also. Once you know your skin type, you should understand your skin condition. Skin conditions means what we are suffering, what do you want to target your skin, like what do you want to treat your skin. That's the skin condition. For me, I have oily skin and I am suffering with acne, so I have acne prone skin, so I treat it both. So that's how you choose your skin types and skin conditions. Let's discuss about the basic skincare steps. We have two routines. One is the weekly routine and the daily routine. Let's discuss daily routine first. The most common daily routine is CTM, cleanse, tone, moisturize. We do this twice a day, like in the AM routine and the PM routine. We have to include sunscreen in the AM routine along with these 3 steps. So it is like cleanse, tone, moisturize and apply sunscreen. It is the morning routine. Next comes night routine, cleanse, tone and moisturize. That's it. Cleansing is nothing but washing your face. Means it is super essential, guys, we know, but don't use regular soaps. Invest in a face wash or a mild cleanser. And next comes toning. We use toners for that. Toners are used to balance your pH level of your skin, and it acts as the first layer of hydration to your skin, and it also helps in open pores. And next comes moisturizing, guys. We know that moisturizers are super important because it is the key to maintain your health. It gives the moisture back to your skin and make it soft and supple. And next, the most important step, guys, sunscreen. Sunscreen is super important because it helps preventing sun damage and sunburns and also sun tan, and it reduces the risk of cancer like skin cancer. So always include a sunscreen. If you don't use sunscreen and you do all of the skincare routine, there is no benefit, guys. Please do use sunscreen. If you want to include serums which targets the skin conditions, you can also include them. That's up to you. And I don't really think you need to invest in eye cream. You can also use your moisturizer as an eye cream, and you can include your lip balm also. I will do a separate detailed video on sunscreen, guys. And next comes weekly skincare routine, guys. It has 2 steps, exfoliating and masking. And this process should be done only 2 to 3 times a week. It is more than enough, and do it on alternative days. It comes after your cleansing and before your toning. Exfoliation is nothing but scrubbing, guys. It helps in taking away all of the dead skin cells on your face, and it helps in giving cleaner and smoother skin. Exfoliations are of 2 types, guys. One is physical exfoliation and the other one is chemical exfoliation. And if you're a beginner, mild physical exfoliation is enough. So there is no need of going to chemical exfoliation at the beginning itself. So I'm going to do a detailed video on physical and chemical exfoliations, so stay tuned for that. And next comes masking. For these we use face masks. They are nothing but face packs. These face masks have specific ingredients to target certain skin conditions. It is more of like a treatment, and it is like a pamper session. We give it to yourself. There are different types of face masks in the market. We need to choose our face mask according to our skin conditions. And that's it for skincare basics, guys. And if you're a beginner, there is no need to include exfoliating and masking at the beginning itself. Always start with CTM and sunscreen, obviously. And after some days of doing CTM and all, and then you can include exfoliating and masking. And if you're too lazy to do the CTM routine as well, I highly suggest you to invest in at least 3 products: cleanser, moisturizer and sunscreen. In the morning, always cleanse your face with the cleanser, avoid soap, and after that go on with sunscreen, apply sunscreen. And next, at the night, wash your face with the cleanser and apply moisturizer before going to bed. That is enough for you. So this is the basic skincare that we can do, and it is the best for lazy skin people. If you have any doubts, please comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Click on that bell notification and do follow me on Instagram. I would love to leave the link in the description bar below. I will see you in my next video, guys. Until then, bye.